In today's video, I'm going to be walking through the streets of Mexico, specifically Puerto Vallarta, to show you if Mexico is safe and is Puerto Vallarta safe. And in order to answer that question, we need to take to the streets because going on the internet can only get you so far. So the first thing I'd like to point out, guys, is I'd like you to think about how often you've seen Americans or English people walking down the street showing you their hometown or their city or their country. Think about it. You don't see that. Why don't you see that? It's not because they're bored of their local town. It's because it's extremely dangerous in the modern world, you know, the Western world, where everyone thinks that they're safe and free, is the exact opposite. And you'll see that over time while you travel, how sheltered Americans are and United Kingdom citizens. As you can see, it's like a normal town, no one's bothering me. And actually later in this video, I'm gonna take you in the streets at nighttime, okay? And this is gonna be a big difference because at nighttime, obviously things are a little bit different. I'm actually trying to cross the street right now while making this video. But look, you got these people trying to jump on the camera, yeah! And so no, Mexico's a great place. I think it's safe, but we're gonna show you the hard way. We're gonna show you by actually walking and visiting and then maybe speaking to some people, going some places. Got a dry ass river right here. And actually what I'm trying to do today is find a guitar. So I'm walking for miles looking for like a traditional Mexican guitar. So I'm bored shitless and I need to play some music. So I'm gonna try to find that, and I'm gonna show you if Mexico's safe, show you what it's like if anyone messes with me or tries to take my phone, which doesn't happen, guys. It doesn't happen. It only happens where you're from, in America, in the United Kingdom, in Europe. They're shitholes in my opinion, and you should be traveling, visiting other cultures, other types of people, and stop listening to the news because they're full of shit. Everything they say on the news is shit. They only feed you the fear. They don't tell you about the nice things. And hopefully, over time, my videos will show you the difference between reality and the media. Because Mexico is full of amazing people. Really good people that work really hard. And they actually have, you know, traditional values and community, which we don't have in the modern world anymore. There's good people everywhere. Oops, my bad. Lo siento, gracias. Almost got hit by a car. Oopsies. Alright, I'm gonna find the backpack. I will get there. But welcome to Puerto Vallarta. Welcome to Mexico. Is it safe? There's only one way to find out, guys. We're gonna go and do it the hard way, like always. And make sure to take a look at some of my other videos because I posted 3 videos recently about Puerto Vallarta. The hidden gems here, a waterfall here, and something else. I forget what it is now. Oh, the big beach walk, because I was walking all the way down the beach the other day, like 10 kilometers, and I found Cameron Diaz walking on the beach. So if you want to see that, go check out my last video, or I'll link it right here. And stay tuned because we're going to continue walking through the barrios of Mexico to see if it's safe. And you know, like if you're anything like me, before you go somewhere, you get on the internet, you check YouTube, and you say, is this place safe? And you want to like look what it looks like when people are walking around. I'll switch the camera around because I know it's a bit high contrast when the camera's on me. But I will continue to make a nice video for you. And maybe to stay tuned for the end because I'm going to take you out at nighttime and show you what it's like at nighttime because that's what people are most concerned about. Is it safe at night? There's only one way to find out. So I found a couple. Look at this. So I found a shop that's right here called Couple, and they usually have like lots of like home appliances and guitars, I guess, I hope, and like lots of home appliances. It's right here, Couple. So I'm gonna cross the street delicately with all this ridiculous traffic, and then I'm gonna see if there's a guitar in here. So after I patiently Come on. Well, I love these mountains though. It's so nice to have mountains. You know, like a lot of people visit parts of Mexico, Cancun and Playa del Carmen. That's where it's super flat. But here, the mountains are super cool. And the rivers are crystal clear and super nice. Yeah, I'm still walking down the middle of the road. And they have normal roads, you know what I mean? These are normal streets. You just gotta cross them carefully. I'll use the camera to see around the corner. Alright, we're good. Alright, so welcome to Koppel. We're gonna see if this place has got what I'm looking for. There it is. Hey! So look, they got, look, motorbikes, phones, speakers. Like I said, all the home stuff, you know? Tablets. But what I need is a guitar, and I don't know if they have it. Or some nice headphones. I'm gonna look around. Alright, so I went to Koppel, no luck. I did not find a guitar. I did not find headphones. Seems like Apple headphones are the hardest thing to find. They keep trying to pitch those wireless things, but they're full of radiation, so don't use that shit. I'm gonna continue walking. I need to find a guitar and some headphones. Maybe strawberries would look really good. I'll get some on the way home. Alright, the walk continues. Is Mexico safe? And can I find a guitar? There's only one way to find out. Hello, gracias. Gonna get run over. It's a busy city, you know what I mean? Like I feel like I'm in, I don't know, like a normal downtown, whatever. Yes, it's safe. Safer than your country. Okay, so is Mexico safe? I actually have a little bit of bad news for you, because there are places in Mexico where it's not very safe, and I don't mean the people, I mean so be very careful in certain places. It might be safe in the streets, but in the jungle, Mexico is as dangerous as it gets. So be careful. And the size of that turtle. Look, guess what I found? Not only did I find headphones, but I also found a guitar. I'm gonna take it home and show you. Let me see if you can actually hear me in the headphones. Yes, I'm actually super excited. I've got some great headphones, which the microphones work, and I just tested it. And the guitar is electric acoustic. So no more being bored. If there's nothing going on, we're just gonna play music. This place is cool. This place, I don't know where I am, but if you're in Puerto Vallarta, I'm sure you know what this is. And then across from it, look, you can see all these places to fix your phone and stuff. So there you go. We are good. And now, in the next part of this video, I'm gonna take you into the night in Mexico, okay? And we're gonna see if it's safe at night, because we know it's safe in the daytime. We found everything that we need, and now, when I snap my fingers, we're gonna be in the streets at night. Okay, I know it's not exactly nighttime, but I made this video to let you guys know if it's dangerous in Mexico. And as you can see, all these children playing volleyball and basketball and exercise, this is very dangerous. I would stay away from this park. Especially, look, there's a skate park over there too. Bunch of skateboarders, stay away from those weirdos. And then these people walking their dogs, and then this guy, look at this guy, hold up. Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, Mexico is definitely dangerous, guys. Stay away. You don't want to come here. Look, you don't want to go to the dog park, and you don't want to do the volleyball, and you definitely don't want to be playing football over here with all these other people, or these people, or the baseball fields, because that's all dangerous too. Just remember, stay at home and be scared of everything. Be scared of your neighbors. Be scared of everyone and everything, and that way you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to travel, and you don't have to take any risks. You can just sit at home and do the same thing you've done every single day for the last month or 6 months or 6 years. But whatever you do, just keep typing into Google, like, is that country safe that I really want to visit, and then I just never visit? Anyways, I'm all right. You shut up, boy. Now what I'm gonna do is, oh, puppy. Hello, puppy. You're a muddy baby. You're a muddy baby. My goodness. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'm gonna actually show you what it's like at nighttime, because it's not exactly nighttime. I'm going to look for food now, so I might as well just show you how dangerous Mexico is, and then I'm gonna bring you into the dark, dodgy streets of Mexico, and just show you continually how much better Mexico is than your country. How about that? Don't worry, this is not the end of the video. I am gonna go back out when it's actually dark. I was just gonna show you the park real quick, just to show you. I don't know how much you can see, but there's literally hundreds of people here at this park. indicating that it is not dangerous, most of them by themselves. And anyways, I'm gonna snap my fingers again, and this time we're gonna actually be in the dark, so stay tuned. Ready? And now we're in Mexico in the nighttime, and we're wondering, is it safe? Are the people nice? Am I gonna get murdered? Is it better than America? All your answers are coming quick, baby. Don't you worry about it. Because you know what? This is Mexico at night, folks. I'm out here with my patinate, my skateboard, and I'm cruising. And I'm gonna walk just a little bit so I can just prove to you guys. So I've never had so many conversations with people where they tell me Mexico's not safe. I've seen so much shit on the TV, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you know what? Fine. You go out in your hometown and you go for a walk at 1 in the morning and you tell me how safe your fucking town is versus Mexico, okay? You go out and you tell me how safe you feel at 1 in the morning. Just like here, this is 1 in the morning. Do you see anyone trying to attack me or rob me? No. You know why? Because Mexico's amazing and the people are beautiful and wonderful and fantastic, and everything you see on the media is bullshit. They exacerbate tiny little situations and make it sound like it's very, very common. Are you surprised? You act like your media doesn't lie to you. You act like your TV doesn't mislead you. That's why I'm here. Traveling the world, fixing the misinformation and the bullshit. Because I'm so tired of people telling me that Mexico is dangerous at night or in the day or anytime. When in fact, I've never had a single issue. I've lived here off and on for like 17 years. I've never had a single problem. Except for dogs. Sometimes there's like dogs in the street and you gotta be careful of them. But the people are good. The people are fantastic. I don't even know what I'm doing out here. I'm out here proving nothing to you guys. There's no one here. Everyone's sleeping. I'm out here trying to finish my video for no reason. This is pointless. Literally pointless and futile. And I love you guys, but sometimes I don't want to make videos anymore. I just want to make my music and I want to make my songs. And if you heard that last album, The World Needs More Love, please support it, share it, do whatever you can. Because that's what I really love. I don't really love walking the streets at 1 in the morning to make pointless videos for you to try to quell your misinformation and your propaganda from your hometown. Like, the best way to do it, and if you ask anyone that's ever visited Mexico or any other country, they'll tell you the truth. They will tell you, and not a single person will tell you, oh, I had a bad time. No, it was a great time. It was great weather, great people, good times. Tacos, cervezas, whatever. So this is the end of the video. If you think Mexico isn't safe, you're a pussy. And that's all. Good night.